Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, additional police have been deployed to Augustown in St. Andrew after 3 persons were shot, 2 fatally in another flare-up of violence in the community this morning.
In a news release this afternoon, the police sought to assure Augustown residents that order will be restored, but the Member of Parliament says what may be needed is a zone of special operation.
TVJ's Kirk Wright was in the area earlier today and filed this Primetime News report.
For weeks, a tense calm has been in Augustown, St. Andrew, but that was broken shortly after 5 this morning when gunmen shot and killed Carol Downswell on Princess Alice Way in the community. But as the police processed that scene, another shooting. About 8:30, gunmen killed another man who was only identified by his alias Dogmouth. Everyone, including the Member of Parliament, believes the killing of the second man was a reprisal. Another man was shot, but he survived. Now, a resolution seems a far way off for Augustown.
The gangs are back at it, fighting. There are some internal wars between the gangs. I mean, obviously they have access to guns, high-powered guns. Despite all the social intervention, despite the talks, despite the many walks we've had here, these gangs are determined to do whatever it is that they want to do, whatever they wake up and feel that they have to do.
The police say they were in the community when the shootings took place, but not close to the crime scenes.
We'll be recalibrating, we'll be reviewing, and to determine how best to deal with this issue. But I want to make an appeal to the people, the guys who are engaged in their gang activity, to cease and desist.
The MP is frustrated at the constant killings, but it's the residents who have to live with them.
It's horrendous. It's a lot of psychological damage on the people who live here, on the children who sometimes are witnesses to these situations.
Ms. Williams said she wrote to the Prime Minister about zones of special operation for the area.
And what's happening here again today, it can't come too soon.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.